Welcome to this quick lesson on the difference between formal and informal English. Today, we'll learn when to use each style and explore examples to help you communicate effectively in different situations. What is formal and informal English? First, let's understand the basics. Formal English is used in professional or academic settings, like at work, school, or in official documents. It's polite, structured, and avoids slang. Informal English is more casual and relaxed, used with friends, family, or in everyday conversations. It often includes contractions, slang, and simpler words. Formal equals professional and structured. Informal equals casual and conversational. Examples of formal versus informal words. Now let's look at some common examples of words and phrases used in formal versus informal contexts. 1. Buy versus purchase. Informal: I need to buy a new phone. Formal: I need to purchase a new phone. 2. Help versus assist. Informal: can you help me with this? Formal: could you assist me with this? 3. Ask versus inquire. Informal: I want to ask you something. Formal: I would like to inquire about something. 4. Say sorry versus apologize. Informal: I'm so sorry for being late. Formal: I apologize for the delay. 5. Tell versus inform. Informal: he told me about the party. Formal: he informed me about the event. So, when should you use formal or informal English? Use formal English in job applications, business emails, school essays or presentations. Use informal English in conversations with friends, text messages, casual social media posts, formal settings, work, school, professional emails, informal settings, friends, family, texts. Here are a few quick tips to help you switch between formal and informal English easily. 1. Think about your audience. Who are you talking to? Adjust your language accordingly. 2. Avoid slang in formal settings, keep it professional. 3. Use contractions like I'm or we'll in informal English, but avoid them in formal writing. Here's a list of 30 informal and formal English words phrases to help with learning. Informal: formal, buy, purchase, ask, inquire, get, receive, help, assist, start, commence, need, require, tell, inform, deal with, handle, think about, consider, go, depart, fix, repair, show, demonstrate, go up, increase, go down, decrease, give, provide, talk about, discuss, end, conclude, find out, discover, look for, search for, ask for, request, put off, postpone, let permit, say sorry, apologize, cheap, inexpensive, big, large, set up, establish, think, consider, live, reside, whole, entire, seem, appear, start again, reason. That's it for today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll easily switch between formal and informal English. Thanks for watching.